Hives. Hi, my name is Angela and I talk all things homeopathy. My last few videos have been about seasonal allergies. So the videos covered hay fever and sinus issues, and I even offered a remedy to really help uproot your allergies. Then we got this question about hives, and Boron USA is actually Boron, which is a pharmacy, homeopathic pharmacy out of France, and they offered a solution for hives as well. So if you Google boron, which is Boiron, medicine finder, and type in hives, you'll come up with three options. The first is Apis 30C, the next is Histaminum 30C, and the last is Urtica 6C. And hives is also known as Uticaria, so that's kind of an easy one. So these remedies are indicated for different types of hives. You might want to read and see how your hives present and pick the remedy that's right for you. And these remedies are even indicated for allergies to some shellfish. So take a look and see which remedy best matches your symptoms. Follow for more homeopathy tips.